So you might be in a situation where you're completely locked out of your Android phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never just one reason why something like this ends up happening. But if it basically is that you just can't, basically unlock your phone. Let's say there's a lock on it or whatever the case is. Luckily for you, there's always a way to kind of get out of it. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and set up. Now, the first thing I'd always recommend doing though is making sure that if you can remember any sort of your particular security, your passcode, anything like that you have set up, that is basically going to be the first thing I'd recommend doing, is trying to see if you can kind of look through your particular device. If you can kind of see, like, sometimes if you look at your particular phone from an angle, you might be able to see the pattern that you have or the passcode or whatever. That might be one thing you basically just want to go and just do. So try doing that. That is basically the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if I go and try unlocking my screen right here, you can see that sometimes you might be able to just, see that display, see kind of what's going on. But if you're not able to see it, what you're going to be able to do here is you can still do an emergency call or whatever, but you may just want to go ahead and try seeing if you can go through and have some sort of option that comes up that basically allows you to go ahead and unlock your phone. So if you type in your password too many times wrong, it's going to tell you that basically, at a certain point, you might be able to, recover your phone after you go ahead and kind of unlock your phone or you lock it. So if that ends up coming around, if it takes too many times or whatever, you might be able to see that you're going to get a little pop-up that will tell you, hey, your phone, password you forgot. If you can reset your phone in a certain way, that's an option. If that's still not working, you may want to try going through. If that doesn't end up working, you may want to try a different method, which is going to be essentially, kind of erasing everything inside of your particular phone and then kind of going on from there. So if you're able to go through onto a computer or a PC, and if you're able to type in, your particular settings of your particular, Android phone. So let's say you have a Samsung Galaxy S24. I can type in Galaxy S24 recovery mode. And if you go and, kind of look up exactly how to, turn on recovery mode on your particular device, you can go ahead and then, find the instructions on how to go into recovery mode. And then once you're in recovery mode, you'll then be able to reset your phone. And at that point, when you're in your reset mode, you can then go ahead and kind of delete everything off your phone. And then basically that includes the passwords. Again, this deletes everything off your phone, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. And then you can log back in with your Google account, and then you'll be able to recover your phone that way. So that's an option. It kind of sucks, but that's really the only other way you can kind of fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.